Hello guys, and welcome back to Automation School. In today's lesson, we'll be showing you 5 smart money tactics that will help you get your faceless YouTube channel up and running and ready to make you those 6-figure numbers you deserve. Do you want to know what the newly crowned king of YouTube is? Faceless YouTubers. This type of YouTube channel has been one of the fastest growing categories, and that's not by chance. Faceless YouTube channels are not only easy to make, but also highly profitable and a smart way to make money online. There are low barriers to entry and plenty of tools to help you, meaning that you could start today. As we mentioned, faceless channels have been growing in popularity recently due to how beginner-friendly they are, as well as how seamlessly they are integrated into high CPM niches such as finance, cryptocurrency, money-making, and technology. By giving YouTubers the ability to create videos that can be both informative and visually appealing without requiring the usage of their own face, more and more people are able to stay within their comfort zone while also being a YouTuber. Additionally, this form of channel has also become part of the mainstream for informative, knowledge-based niches, as YouTubers focus more so on utilizing visuals and text to communicate key points, which has indirectly increased the production value of these videos. That being said, you would assume that a video of higher quality may require more resources and specialized skills. But with the increased usage of powerful, high-performing AI, it's easier than ever to do more with less. Have we convinced you to start? Before you begin, these 5 smart money tactics are key tips that you need to consider when creating your faceless channel, as keeping them in mind will undoubtedly increase the likelihood of your channel to achieve success, and also make your videos more appealing and profitable. No matter what niche you decide to pursue for your faceless channel, staying up to date on current news in that industry or new developments is crucial for ensuring consistent content on your channel and establishing yourself as a reputable and reliable channel in your niche. If you're staying on top of all the trending topics, you will always have evergreen content that you can utilize for your videos. Being one of the first people to upload a video regarding a brand new topic does wonders for both your view count and your watch time, as there is a constant flow of traffic to your channel from people looking for the latest information. If you're timely, that also establishes you as a go-to resource for viewers, which will help to increase your viewer retention and subscription rate, helping to grow your channel long-term. A good way to automate and optimize this process is by utilizing the content that is already available on YouTube that is already doing well. You can read through their transcripts by pressing the 3 buttons underneath the video and clicking on Show Transcript, which will give you a written breakdown of the topic, and also give you ideas on which keywords and hashtags that you should use for your own video that have proven to appeal to the algorithm. Building off of that, knowing your keywords and implementing them effectively into all of your video copy, whether it be the title, description, or the script, can put you in the good graces of the algorithm by drastically improving your SEO. There are lists that circulate that pinpoint all of the trending keywords on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, such as WordStream, Keyword Tool, or extensions of the Google search engine itself that can help you determine which keywords have the most traction during the time period where you are making your video. The concept of keyword implementation plays off of how viewers search up specific words into the YouTube search bar in hopes of getting certain results. The closer your keywords on your video replicate the ones that users type into their search bars, the higher your video will be on their list of search results. Statistically, users are much more likely to click on videos at the top of the search results due to ease of access and time saving, so it makes your video much more appealing to prospective new viewers. The main benefit of faceless channels is that they take little to no effort without having to compromise quality. With the abundance of AI tools available on the market, there's a program that you can use for every part of the video creation process. Depending on what sort of niche you decide to pick, you can utilize different tools to help you gather information and streamline your content creation. Some useful tools include Jasper AI for script writing, Veed.io for editing, and Speakify for voiceover work. As a faceless channel, you'll also likely utilize stock footage and other forms of media in place of your face, and you can find these through resources such as Pexels and Unsplash. Constant influx of new faceless channels. It's more important than ever to stand out and provide a personalization factor even though you aren't showing your face. An effective and easy way to do this is to source external talent through platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr to assist you in parts of the content creation process. such as providing voiceover work, creating custom imagery, or writing a personalized and SEO-catered script that fits all of your narrative needs. This way, you're able to create value for your viewer base and connect with them on a further level without needing to showcase your face, which can help you build a relationship with your subscribers and establish a community that will consistently engage with your content. When it comes to smart money, the most crucial aspect comes down to diversifying your money-making methods and income streams. Although YouTube by default provides you with the monetization method of obtaining ad revenue, faceless channels also leverage other monetization methods to increase the amount of money they're catching in, helping them to make hundreds of dollars a day. Some common monetization methods include affiliate marketing, creating merchandise, and sponsorships, just to name a few. On our channel, we dive further into money-making tactics, specifically pertaining to faceless channels. So go take a look at those for a more in-depth tutorial on how to implement these into your channel. Now that you know all about faceless YouTube channels and exactly how you can get smart with making money through them, we want to hear all about your journey in the comments below. If you're looking to start a brand new channel, share with us your story and what your first video idea will be. Until next time, see you later, Automators.